Welcome to our comprehensive training session on inspection and best practices for forklift tipping skips. Managing materials efficiently and safely is a cornerstone of warehouse and construction site operations. Today, we're diving deep into the art and science of using forklift tipping skips, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to use this essential equipment safely and effectively. Join us as we explore everything from the basics of tipping skips to advanced inspection techniques and operational best practices. Forklift tipping skips are more than just containers on wheels. They are engineered for precision, safety, and durability. Used across industries for waste management, material transport, and storage, their design allows for easy attachment to forklifts, facilitating the swift movement and disposal of materials. Today's market offers a variety of tipping skips, each tailored for specific needs, from lightweight models for light waste to heavy-duty versions designed for bulk materials or hazardous substances. Understanding the capabilities and limitations of your tipping skip is the first step towards maximizing its utility while ensuring workplace safety. Why emphasize regular inspections? The answer lies in prevention. Regular inspections preempt failures, accidents, and costly downtime. They are your first line of defense against potential hazards that can arise from wear and tear, overloading, or environmental damage. By adopting a proactive inspection routine, you not only safeguard the equipment, but also protect operators and bystanders from injury. Remember, a well-maintained tipping skip is a reliable partner in your material handling tasks. Effective inspection of a tipping skip is methodical and thorough. It starts with a visual examination, looking for obvious signs of distress. Cracks, dents, or rust can compromise the structural integrity, while damaged mechanisms can hinder operation, posing a risk to safety. Next, focus on the operational mechanics. The tipping action should be smooth, without resistance or unusual noises, which could indicate wear or misalignment. Ensure the locking mechanisms engage fully and release without issue. These are critical for securing the skip during transport and operation. Inspecting the attachment points requires a keen eye. These areas bear the brunt of the load and are susceptible to wear. Check for any deformation or signs of fatigue that could impair the skip's connection to the forklift. Lastly, safety signage and instructions should be clear and unobstructed. These provide essential guidelines for safe operation and are often overlooked until it's too late. With inspection out of the way, let's pivot to best practices. The golden rule for using tipping skips is understanding and respecting their capacity. Overloading not only strains the equipment, but can lead to tipping incidents. Always distribute the load evenly to maintain balance during lifting and tipping. The manner in which the skip is attached to the forklift cannot be overstated. A secure attachment ensures stability and safety during transport. Never underestimate the importance of this step. A loose connection can have disastrous consequences. Operating in a designated area, free from unnecessary foot traffic and obstructions, minimizes the risk of accidents. Awareness of your environment and clear communication with team members are paramount, especially in areas with high noise levels or restricted visibility. Smooth operation and handling of the forklift and tipping skip are signs of a skilled operator. Jerky movements or sudden stops can destabilize the load, leading to spills or, worse, overturning. Practice and patience in maneuvering can prevent many of these issues. Lastly, ongoing education and adherence to safety protocols cannot be overstressed. The landscape of workplace safety is ever evolving, and staying informed through regular training sessions is crucial for maintaining a safe and productive environment. Embracing the inspection routines and best practices we've discussed today not only enhances the lifespan of your forklift tipping skips, but also fortifies the safety of your operations. This session has armed you with the knowledge to execute your duties with confidence and precision. Let's commit to a culture of safety, efficiency, and continuous improvement. Together, we can create a workspace that is both productive and secure for everyone involved. Thank you for dedicating your time to inspection and best practices for forklift tipping skips. Your engagement today is a step toward a safer tomorrow. Remember, competence in safety and operations begins with informed action. Stay safe, and continue to strive for excellence in all your material handling endeavors.